Before we leave technical analysis, I want to bring up one more point called normalization. So take a look at these different technical indicators we created here, simple moving average, momentum, and Bollinger Bands. They have different ranges that they typically operate over. So like I said, we would expect to see values of minus 0.5 to plus 0.5 for simple moving average. For momentum, similar kind of range. Bollinger Band typically inhabits -1 to 1. If we were to plug these values into some sort of machine learner, we would have a little bit of a problem. And what would happen, and we'll have to go into the details later, but the Bollinger Band factor would tend to overwhelm these other factors and become the most important one. It might get even worse if we included a fundamental factor like PE ratio that can range from 1 all the way up to 300. The solution is something called normalization. And what normalization does is it takes each of these factors and essentially compresses them or stretches them so that they vary on average from -1 to +1. Normalization is simple. You take your original values for a particular factor, subtract the mean from all of them, and divide by the standard deviation of all of them. This will give you a normed result that on average is going to vary between -1 and 1, and it'll have a mean of 0. So remember this trick for later when we get to machine learning, or if you're working with technical indicators yourself, you may want to apply this normalization approach to the numbers you're working with.